Hi Inol and Norman, congratulations. It is a joy to watch you two start this new chapter today. I have a special word for Inol, dear kaanakan. We are glad nga finally that you have found the love of your life. Tataakat duwa kayo nga desisyon kadagiti banbanag, kat saanon asikalaang, above all, akot you consult God and you talk things over. It's my prayer nga God be the center of your marriage. Kun kadagiti amin nga plano kan desisyon nyo itibiyag. To Norman, we lovingly welcome you to the family and to the clan. On behalf of my late Manong Rufino, Inol's dad, thank you for your love and devotion, and may it grow deeper as the days go by. For you both, may the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together. This is a day to celebrate. Again, congratulations. God bless you.
Finally, the much-awaited blessings in your life has come as you walk through the aisle of tying the knot with your beloved hubby, Mr. Norman Poland, on this day, 27th of June 2026. I wish you luck that both of you will build a successful, strong, and healthy relationships with much love and care. May God always be at the center of your marriage. Best wishes for you, Noel and Norman. Congratulations. Last but not least, much thanks for giving us the opportunity to send our greetings on your wedding day. Mabuhay, mabuhay ang newlywed. Always, Manang Gina, God bless.
Hello, Norman and Marinol. We are happy that you are now getting married. So this is greetings from the Philippines. This is your Auntie Ami. And congratulations and best wishes. Here's your Uncle Gani.
Hello, Marinol. Watching you grow from a wonderful girl into the incredible woman you are today has been one of the greatest joy to me. Learning you walked down the aisle today in such a beautiful country fills my heart with so much pride. Norman, welcome to our family. We are happy to officially call you one of our own. You two balance each other well, and I know you will build an amazing life together. May your marriage be blessed with endless laughter, deep patience, and a love that grows stronger with each passing Canadian winter. I am so honored to be here online to celebrate your special day. With all our love and blessings. Congratulations.
Hello guys! I was so surprised when I got a call from Elaine asking for a video message on your wedding day. Actually, I was out of the house that time. But I rushed right away back home just to send this message to you both. That's how much excited I've been for this moment. Nothing I can say but to Sir Norman, thank you for loving our sister Manang Inol. Mary Inol, I should say. I used to call her Manang Inol, that's why. Thank you for taking care of her, and thank you for choosing to build a lifetime with her. Welcome to Philippine family. We're so far away, but our hearts are with you both on your wedding day. May your marriage be full of joy, patience, respect, and God's blessings in every step. To Manang Inol, hello sa wakas, Manang, and finally, this is it. I was so happy for you, Manang. Naragsakan kami para ken ka, naragsak kami para ken ka, at sapay kuma, taragsak, latangakan kanayon, ken salon at tiada, ken ka, kanyayo, ken kanyayo dita. I just want to share one verse taken from the book of Mark, chapter 10, verse 9, and it says there, "Therefore, with God has joined together, let no one separate." May your marriage be full of safest place, your greatest joy, and your best adventure. Sending you the biggest hug from across the miles. I'm so incredibly happy for you both as you begin this beautiful journey together. Once again, congratulations and cheers to a lifetime of love. Mwah. Bye!
Umuna iti amin, kablawan kayo, itinagan ti apo, kinkastamot, nganimbag nga orasyo amin, dita nga awan labas. Taragsak kami, idinamon mi nga, aglong table kagayaman, katsapay kamatan, apnuan ragsak, kin nabaligi, tiin ka pa nagkalay sa, katsapay kama, tati maodi nga aldaw, kit makita minto kuma, ta pugi nga asawam. Kastan, God bless you. O pahabol gayam, kasapulan kan tipatan auto dito ya. Yela, and thank you. Habol ka. Ket anyang ay timakunak. Congratulations kada kayo nga ading ko. Ani na danon meten ti kayo si kami rinol. Hanin nga kasla idi ati es kastama kinakatawa amin nga kwa kung kunamon ay apo yaman ta napangkat ta ket nakasarakan ti kwa forever mo ket baglaki din ta han nga tay nakita ta idj kwan imbag kit din atahan nga kasla kadjay tin nakit baw nasarakam bagay nakita ta idj airport nga nya nga idjayen nga Amerikanon sus mariusip ket imbag ta na itsura mat timanta asawam. Congratulations kada kayo nga duwa. Okay, awanay nang kung amo ti kunakon. Basta congratulations. Kada pay gayam ko na pagayam. Medyo kunakon ko matatayan talaga gayam nga pang foreigner ka nga talaga.
Wishing you the best of everything on your marriage. Stay happy and gali. Congratulations and best wishes. Hi, Norman and Ninol. This is happy wedding day. You know what, Ninol, when you sent me your wedding card invitation, I don't know how to express my feelings. I love, I cried, and jumped. I even ran to your 2-year-old. He's outside the house during that time, busy having his carpentry work, only to inform about it. And you know what? He said, "Ne, mayat." I'm so happy for you, you know. And everyone is happy to know about it. At last, finally, Cupid's arrow has struck and you found love with Norman. Norman, welcome to the family. I know that Inol is safe in you. I know that Inol is happy in you. So we are happy. We are all happy. Always remember that a marriage life is full of challenging situations, and I know you can find your family full of happiness, smart, and a successful one. As long as you put God first into your life. I can't wait anymore to see you. I can't wait anymore to hug you. So, we'll wait here in the Philippines and have a great celebrations for your wedding day. And for that day, we're going to enjoy with you. Happy wedding day and congratulations to both of you. Love you, Mama.
Okay, ready? Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We are happy to greet you on your wedding day. Have a blessed wedding day, Manang Nol and Brother Normand. Okay, so itatangal daw iti panag ano diya yun? Panagkalaysa. Oh, panagkalaysa. O before we greet Mami Nol, you tell your name first.
My name is Senray.
Senray what? Senray po.
Senray Manel Maspilandil S.
Wan, isunan ni nasudi kadwak nga mangitod iti mensahe kada kayo itatama ng Nol and Brother Normand. Okay, so ni Senray, anak ni Suyam, jay nalay nga, jay iba-vlog mo lang ni Inana. Tatangal daw, it is your wedding day! Yay! Sa wakas! Sa wakas, kat nadanon mo't lang iti aldaw, nga inururay ni Manang Nol. Ay, not only Manang Nol pala. Oh, the day came for the both of you to celebrate your wedding day, and we are happy to greet you. Happy and blessed wedding day. Uray may met kumano dito yung Pilipinas niya. Takwa tapno naragragsaken agbalin nga viral wedding day because Manang Nol is very popular sa aming lugar. And so, may your marriage be filled with peace, laughter, and good health, and a countless blessings. May you continue to inspire everyone around you with your faith, with your unwavering commitment to both of you. Tadji commitment man gamin iti panagasawa kat not only came from the husband, it's both. It will come from the husband and the wife. So, di commitment yung kumaiti may sakin may sa kat agtultuloy, and your enduring love kat agtultuloy matlaan. So, we love you kat mamimiss mi da kayo dito in Pilipinas. Sa pala kumata, dumteng to di aldaw nga the soonest possible time. Kat you will be having you will be spending your vacation here in the Philippines. Gabin adun iti makamimiss kinyayo. Kataro kanya Manang Nol, o di ba? Nagatado ti mang makamimiss kanyam dito'y Pilipinas, especially in our in Balbalayang City. In Balbalayang City ko naktadak tuya kami lunoy. So, awan ti adu nga makunami kini Senray kuna na agsala ka no. Agsala ka?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, ag-dance ka no ni Senray. Senray will be rendering you a dance. Sige nga po, tingnan po natin. Sige, go. What dance? Oh, what kind of dance is that? That's for Mami Nol, that's for your Mami Nol. Wow. shake, 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 shake. Oh, and the last step. Oh, bow na. Yay! Oh, that's the dance presentation of Senri to both of you. We love you and have a blessed wedding day. Enjoy your enjoy the enjoy the celebration. And we are looking forward to both of you having your vacation here in the Philippines. We love you and we miss you. That's all. Bye-bye.
Mambalinan. Halo, Apo, Inol. Kumusta kayo nga dita? Nabayag nga saan ta nga nagtungtungtung. Ketata mailiwak manin kada kayo. Uray ano nasalon at kayo mat dita. Kastamat da kitay agbalik kastamat tay agbalin nga apo nga papa ni Abre. Kan uray da kayo amin dita. Ket kumusta damat ay danon monto kada kwa damat Ito'y kwa. Ito'y kumusta kanya damat. Ket apo tatan ti pudpud no nga panag asawam ket ala nagasat kamet apo ta anda pay lang ti nagmayat kensi ka ta bakit kan ket ken oray ngam oray ipalubos ti kasasaad tayo ket yawid monto dito day ay ayatek nga apok bareng no anda aktupay ngamin ket 5 years kon di kalman nga June to 20 ket yawid monto bareng no makitak tumet ti apok nga urayat ken ayo agsingsingput ka nga san nga gaputa na anos nga kunam idi ket anderem tenan ako ma ta ipakita mo ti kinasayaat mo kanya na ipakitam ti ugadit tayo tapno ti kasta ket may ayatan mo ket ayo aslam malitirik nak ket anya ti plano makala kayo ti papilyo ket ayawid kayo to nga talaga uno agbakasyon ayon agbakasyon kayo to ket amo nga bayag-bayag tapno dagay ko nakarod ta mabaring makita ko kay nga ko ti sasaad ket medyo damot marikirik na ka madmadino daduma ta gamin manipod di December nagigyanak di bunbuneg di panagkuan mapanagkatay ni Manong di kuan sublat man ni Manang ijayak man managiyan ket kasla medyo kimamot tirik na ka kim andamot ti marikrik na kasla mabamot ti kwak ta di panunot kon sanot ta dodwa kamen kinilulam nga Pilipa ket kung kunada pa kidi nga agkuntis kamin agbinunot kamin no anya ti unaken dak kamin ibagbagada idi ko agbinunot pa ina na tumo na kung kunada idi pa idi bonbonod so nga Ayo. Good. Ulitat manin ha. Di happy wedding mo. Mayatin tapno. I-proclamar mo di ko. Ka-advan kini Apo Diyos pa nang ro na kini Apo Diyos. Pagbutbut ngan tayo. Nga isuti ka sa pulan nga arami din tayo. Good. Yabi nung tutoy akit asahan tayo tutoy ngipan no ka. Asahan tayo tutoy ngipan no yawid mo. Riot. Ulitik manin. Singsingkot ka. Ang tangsit. Tap mo na anda kang singsingtukin ta asawam. Mga gaputan na anos. Katuston niya ngayon. Alam mo na, taringgal.
Pandiay. Di may bagak mo ka ading ko. Maragsakan ak. Nadamag ko nga makiasaw ka gayam. Natongpalan aragi kong kunata idi nga numapangkad ta agbirok ka iti kapungpunganam sumaragsakan na nakadamag ta imbagada mo iti may baga iti maasawaan ada iti mamingsan nadadagi di nga pagkakainawatan amok nga amom dagi kita adot uban mon nga iti ada asawa na ada amin iti ragsak ayat anos kanangrunan iti panagpamati kini ako ta isumot ti amo tayo nga ada nga makatulong kada tayo no da iti problema. Sapay ko nga nga data naragsak iti paraglantip iti puso yo tututoy ka sa tapintas iti panaki asawa nga magkitak ni Abre ni baka makita mo to nataytayag tuno sigang. So nga iso ade jay ti maibagak. Kita niya ti maibagak taging ka nga ta. Kasi ay latan ti maibagak ko. Kaya ibagak to yung dumanton no kan no datay agawid kanton. Kung kasamot ani lakay mo ti may bakon so na maragsakan na nga makadamag di danong kumot iti panangkablao ko kinyana iti happy wedding akada kayo nga duwa ket congratulations kada kayo nga rog agasawan ton ata agasawa kanto pala ito no bigat iso lang dayay ading ko.
Hello, Marinol ke Norman. Naimbag nga bigat siyo dita, rabi imot ditoy. Kumusta kayo nga nalagip ko di kalay sayo, managasawa yo, kasayo. Bagbagada iti apo ditoy, kanakan. Kayak kumit ako umay dita no ilalaka ako na di umay kam ko dita ta matangan yung iti naragsak na panagasawa yo nung manyahay nga road ke namit nga nalakati umay ada yung iti nagbabakitan kayo So kastulatan mga pamayaan, mga tulak tibasin nga minsay kanya yun. Pero sabay ko matagiragsak yun, ti nagasap, kaya nagsak nga panagkasawa yun, panagkasaryo. Ibagam tunay kini Norman, nga asawam. Sabay ko matag kita giragsak yun. No malagit mo di ay ragsak ni insan mo nga dyan di tutot na di ang mga milchor sika mo tinang ibagay di kasta uno nga sa iti iso na di madamat kalay sada sika pala makapansin bagang kanyak sabay ko mata karo tayo di jay iti ragsak mo nung makikita ko kas jesyo so ada iti bagak matag kita giragsak yun kung pag-asawa yun pwede no mabalin mangaragi kayo ati ading niya bre magbakasyon kayo ito di adan to kadwa yung magbakasyon awan sa mga hindi may bagakong adong mo iti nag-message adari ka mga message ni lula yung ato niyang hindi duma nagsasao kasi latan natin may bagat nagasa-gasa maragsak na pa nag-asawa yun tuloy sabay ko kinaawatan kayo matagiragsak yun tiyag din na kasi lain ti ado nga maibagakon ata kami so estima rin nyo ati askas tayo dilatan nagsisipit kayo nung tigas ta pada gunayo ako nagkasabay pagantong ng puli na yun tani anak na ibaga ko English ko kumang baka naman marigatan kayo mga awak kita nag-English ko iso no ilokalong siya may bagakin nila kayo mo so lang dito may bagak may bag nga bigat yun ulit rabi mikimin dito so medyo nagduma bigat kumakuma ay rabi kumakuma bigat ara bigat yung dito DJ lang may bag nga uwen suryan madubli lagi din medyo pa sige.
You can process your question.
Hello there in Canada. Good morning. Uncle Norman and Auntie Inol, happy wedding. Best wishes. Diyan lang tibagak, uston, awanan, tawad mo, pununod ko. PS, Auntie Inol, agawin ka na makatuturuak di mansion mo. Bye!
1, 2, 3, go. Congratulations, Lola and Lolo. God bless you, ado.
Hello ante, mo bagat kan umadumot tuban mo. Dato bilang man. Ni kasinuan kayo. Nayon niya bre. Nayon ti talo. Ta insigong. Kung makapakatawa kayo matatagal. Yan te, kung resolution na de, nabiro ko mo talente ka kay sunang all the one. Barang abriton to te sumaruno. Kumusta ante, uncle? Naragsak nga panagkalya sayo nga duwa. Wish ko kada kayo nga duwa, auntie, uncle, as you enter this new chapter of your life. I hope and pray that you always choose each other every day. May you always be a blessing to each other. Wishing you all the best. that life can give. Cheers to joyful and bliss marriage. Happy wedding, Auntie and Uncle. Sampai kumata. Asilatan na damiti bagati sa balay.
Hello, Auntie, Uncle. Congratulations to your wedding. Wishing you both for a lifetime filled with love, happiness, and countless beautiful memories together. May your marriage be strengthened by trust, understanding, and unwavering support for one another. I'm so happy to celebrate this special day with you, and I pray that God continues to bless your journey with good health, peace, and endless joy. Once again, congratulations to the both of you. Best wishes for a wonderful life together.
Congratulations, Mommy and Sir Norman. Happy wedding. Wishing both a lifetime of happiness, love, and countless beautiful memories together.
Hello, Auntie and Sir Norman. I just want to congratulate you for your wedding tomorrow. We will pray for your everlasting love and always be careful.
Congratulations on your wedding day, Auntie. May your marriage be a beautiful journey of joy, faith, and love, shared with all who celebrate your happiness today. Congratulations!
Hello, Auntie and Uncle. May you be as happy as you can be in a home that filled with tranquility. But when storms arise and cause distress, may you counter the turmoil and tenderness. As you share in the laughter and the tears, may you freely express your hopes and your fears. May you grow old together side by side and forever and always. May true love abide. Again, congratulations, Auntie and Uncle.
Hello, Lola Inol and Lolo Norman. Congratulations on your wedding and hope to see you both here in the Philippines. I love you both. Mwah.
Hello, Auntie and Uncle. Congratulations on your wedding. We are all happy here in the Philippines for you. And as you celebrate your wedding there, we also gather here and celebrate also your wedding.
Congratulations to my favorite people, Ma and Uncle. I'm so proud and happy to see you two tie the knot. Here's 2 more years of laughter, love, and wonderful memories together. Love you both. And again, felicitations a vous deux.